Today we are looking at an investment project in Bali that sits right at the intersection of capital, health and global trend. Not a tourist property, not just another villa. This is an hour wellness resort in Ubud. Before we talk about the project itself, we need to zoom out and ask a more important question. Why should an investor even look at the property like this today? Because of one of the fastest growing global markets right now is the wellness economy. People are no longer just buying square meters, they are investing in how they feel and how they live. Wellness is one of the fastest growing global markets. And if wellness is a market, then Ubud, Bali, is one of its global epicenters. Ubud is not a beach resort destination, it's a place people come to stay longer, reset and invest in their health. And projects in locations like this tend to be more resilient, less seasonal and more stable from an investment perspective. That's the context, and now let's talk about the project. Our is located in the heart of Ubud, surrounded by rice terraces and protected green zones. This matters because views, privacy and silence are not aesthetics here, they directly affect pricing, demand and occupancy. Ubud attracts long-stay guests, digital nomads, retreat participants and wellness tourists. This audience behaves very differently from short-term beach tourists. Our is not a residential complex and not a classic hotel. It's a wellness resort built around the holistic health. The concept is based on 7 dimensions of well-being: physical, mental, emotional, social, intellectual, spiritual and traditional Balinese practices, combined with modern biohacking. Guests don't just stay here, they follow personalized recovery and wellness journeys: yoga, meditation, breathwork, spa and detox programs, sound healing and mindfulness. From an investor's perspective, this audience stays longer, spends more and comes back. The infrastructure is designed so guests don't need to leave the resort. It includes a full wellness and spa center, saunas and cold pools, yoga and meditation areas, infinity pools, a concept restaurant, a private relaxation zones. For investors this means higher average check, stronger guest retention and more predictable occupancy. Now let's talk about the numbers. The project offers different formats, apartments and villas. Entry prices start from approximately $80,000 for apartments and $100,000 for villas. The payment structure includes a down payment from 50%, installment plans up to 24 months, and project completion planned for late 27. The projected financial model shows up to 14% annual return in USD and potential capital appreciation of up to 30% by project completion. These are projections, not guarantees. What matters is whether the assumptions behind them make sense. There are several ways investors can approach this project. First, passive rental income through professional management. Second, capital growth and resale closer to or after completion. Third, a hybrid model, part rental, part personal use for retreats or long stays. That flexibility is one of the strengths of lifestyle assets. So, why does this project stand out? First, the location. Ubud is a strategic choice. Second, alignment with a global wellness trend. Third, a turnkey management model, reducing operational complexity for investors. And finally, this is a niche product, not mass market, which often means stronger long-term demand. Now a realistic view. The project is under development. Time is a factor. Returns depend on execution and management quality. Wellness properties can be less liquid than standard apartments, but often compensate with higher checks and more loyal guests. This is not a quick flip, it's a trend-driven, medium-term investment. To sum it up, our wellness resort is not just property in Bali. It's an attempt to enter the wellness economy through one of its strongest global locations. It's not for everyone, but for investors who think long, value lifestyle assets and want portfolio diversification, it may be a very interesting option. If you'd like the full presentation, financial model or to discuss the project, you'll find the contact details below. Thank you for watching.